Hello. Hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. And today we're going to be making some coin rings. We're going to start with this Alabama quarter. And we're going to make this into a size 10 ring. If that sounds cool to you, continue watching. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. Let's go. Very nice. If you guys have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. If you want to check out the shop, there should be a little link down here you can tap on. That'll take you to my online store. I sure appreciate you checking it out. Got a lot of different types of coin rings on there. For anyone just joining in, we're making an Alabama quarter into a ring. Next step is to clean up this inside edge right here. For that, we're going to take a deburring tool and cut it smooth. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. If you want to see more coin ring making videos, hit the follow button. Thank you. Now we got it all nice and smoothed out. We're going to take a little 4-0 steel wool and smooth it out just a little bit more. Again, if you guys want to see some of my finished work or check out my shop, there's a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen. I think it says link. Go ahead and give that a tap. If you do find something you like on there, you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. As a little thank you for joining me on my TikTok live. And if you have any questions or you're looking for something specific, let me know. Other than that, just tap the screen, guys. Thanks for watching. There we go. Now we got it nice and smooth. We're going to take it over to the 1-ton arbor press and give it a couple folds. For that, we need a doming block. A nice 3/4 inch Deburring ball. I like to start with a doming block because it gives a really unified fold. It's even. It's not wonky. Folds very nice and evenly. Looking good. And from there, I go to a 17-degree die. I see a lot of people start with 17-degree dies, but the doming block just gives you a much nicer start. And you don't have to correct the ring later on. Very nice. There is our Alabama quarter ring so far. Now, when you're making coins into rings, you want to make sure this edge right here is smooth the whole time. So we already deburred it and hit it with some 4-0 steel wool, but after applying that pressure and shaping it, you can see it's formed some kind of micro cracks or little scratches on there. And if we go and stretch it right now, those cracks will grow and it'll split the ring. So we want to make sure to smooth that out before we do anything else. For that, I like to use these nail file blocks. I initially started with like sandpaper, but that tore up really quickly. These nail file blocks are pretty tough, and I just use the like roughest edge of it until we get that edge nice and smooth. Again, feel free to check out the shop. There's a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen and hit the follow button. Thanks for watching. These coin rings are also available on my TikTok shop. If you prefer like shopping through there, you can go to my profile. There's a little shopping bag there you can check out. But if you do go through the website link at the bottom of the page, you can use the coupon code WELCOME, and it'll take 10% off your order, no matter what you get. There we go. That's looking much smoother. So let's go over here to the ring stretcher. Can you guess what the ring stretcher does? It's pretty aptly named. It stretches rings. So we're going to pop our ring on here and start stretching. This one's going to be a size 10. So I'm going to try and stretch it to about 10 and a half, maybe 11. And I'll show you why here in just a second. A little bit more. So while this ring stretcher is a really good tool, when you do stretch a quarter coin ring on it, it gives it kind of a cone shape. So it's a little wider at the top than it is at the bottom. And I prefer a straighter wall look, so I tend to stretch them a little over and then take them over to the 17-degree die and reduce this top half to match with the bottom. So that's what we're going to do next. Reduce it down just a little bit. Now we should have a really nice straight wall look. I think that looks much better. Nice. So the next step is going to be removing this inside edge or lip on the inside of the ring right there. It's not very comfortable and it kind of throws off the sizing. It goes all the way around on the inside. So we're going to cut that away real quick. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you'd like to check out the shop, there's a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen right there. To remove the edge, we're going to be using this. This is my new tool called the Deburring Buddy. And you can just pop a coin ring in here. This one's specifically for quarter coin rings, size 4 up to size 10. And it holds the coin while you deburr that edge. Pretty handy. You deburr that edge. Pretty handy.